time. Okay? So first off, I'm going to start inside the parentheses because I know I can always kind of get that outside the parentheses part going at any point. So inside the parentheses, I see that I am adding. And adding is related to multiplication. So I can rewrite this as 1/3. And my bases are the same. You always got to make sure you have that where you're dealing just with natural log. Okay? The natural log. Ooh, actually I got to be careful. Actually, this is where you got to be a little cautious. Is right here, I have a 2 out in front, right? That's an exponent. What do I have to do first? Exponents or multiplication? Exponents. We got to do the exponents first because only the argument of this is raised to the 2 power. So I'm going to have the natural log of y plus natural log of y plus 4 squared. Again, order of operations. We're just going to go through it. We do parentheses first. Then we do exponents, realizing that multiplication means exponent, minus the natural log of y minus 1 on the outside. One step at a time. Now, next one. I'm going to keep that 1/3 out in front. Now, here, I could go ahead and multiply this out, but I don't think it's really necessary. I'm just going to leave it as a product of factors just for simplicity right now, because our goal is to get this as one log function, not to make it as simple as possible. Okay? So we're adding here, and we said adding means we multiply. So natural log of y times y plus 4 squared. Notice how I'm using brackets. That makes it a lot easier to keep everything together. Okay? And we have 2 sets of brackets actually here. Okay, those ones there too. Minus the natural log of y minus 1. Now, can I do anything else in the parentheses? Is it just one logarithm in the parentheses now? Inside here? We just have 1, right? That's our goal. So I'm multiplying. That multiplying is related to exponents. So this is actually just going to be an exponent. So we have the natural log, okay, of, this is going to start to get a little complicated, okay, y times y plus 4 squared to the 1/3 power minus log of y minus 1. Does everyone see that? Are there any questions on that step? Again, you're going through and you're doing one at a time. We did outside the parentheses. This 1/3 means we raise our entire argument to the 1/3 power. Now, I'm subtracting. Subtracting is related to division. So now we just rewrite this as the natural log of y times y plus 4 squared to the 1/3 power all over, oh, not all over, shoot. Just the argument is going to be over y minus 1. Okay? We're subtracting. We want to write it as 1, so we take this argument here and we put it over that argument there. Okay? And again, if you really were trying to, I didn't want to take the time to do it, but you could obviously multiply all of this out and actually make it a little bit cleaner. But this is the idea. You just go through each step, break it down. Order of operations are definitely important. Okay? But this is what you would go through.